is Sharky? Sharky! Where is Sharky? Where is Sharky? There he is! There he is, Sharky! We gotta get back to school! Sharky! Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of August 5th, 2022. For anyone who doesn't know me, I'm the school's parent liaison. I am your guide to PBMA. Feel free to email me with any questions or concerns. My email address is scooper, C-O-O-P-E-R, @pbmalantana.org. Here are some upcoming events. Meet the Teacher is on Tuesday, August 9th. Please bring your students' school supplies to Meet the Teacher. Meet the Teacher for grades kindergarten and grade 5 is 12:30 till 1:15 p.m. Grades 1 and grade 4 is 1:30 to 2:15 p.m. And grades 2 and grade 3 is 2:30 to 3:15 p.m. Middle school is from 1 o'clock p.m. till 2 o'clock p.m. and high school is 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And the first day of school is Wednesday, August 10th. Kindergarten students will have a staggered start. I have emailed parents to let them know when their new kindergartner's first day of school will be. It will be on August 10th, 11th, or 12th. Your kindergartner will only attend one of these days. Then the entire class will attend on Monday, August 14th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, your elementary school principal. I am so excited to see everybody at our Meet the Teacher event, and I am looking forward to a wonderful and successful school year. We have lots of great plans in place, and I can't wait to see them put into action. So welcome back, everybody, to the 22-23 school year. I'd also like to introduce our new nurse, Nurse Stefana.
Hello, I'm Nurse Stefana, the new nurse of Palm Beach Maritime Academy Elementary. I'm happy to be part of the team. Please bring your child's shots and physical record if not done so before school starts. Look forward to working with you and have a great year ahead.
Thank you, Nurse Stefana. And here is our new assistant principal, Mr. Perry.
Hello, everyone. My name is Deontay Perry. I'm the new assistant principal here at PBMA. Graduated from Southeast Missouri State University. Looking forward to a great start to this new year. A lot of exciting things to come. Go Sharks.
Thank you, Mr. Perry. On behalf of our Board of Directors, administration, and all faculty and staff, we give everybody a big welcome back to the school year. So students, we will see you on August 10th. Please make sure you are ready to be responsible, respectful, and ready to learn.
Please stop by the office if you still need to sign up for buses or aftercare. Do not leave it for Meet the Teacher Day. Every student will receive free breakfasts and lunches this year. There are no lunch forms required this year. However, there is an updated student housing questionnaire that must be completed. They will be distributed at Meet the Teacher Day. School supply lists have been emailed to parents. The list can also be found on our website. Please go to the Parents tab, to Forms and Links, scroll down to School Supply Lists. Uniforms are sold through our website. Click on the Parents tab to the Uniform submenu. Then click the link to the uniform company. If your students' uniforms do not arrive before the beginning of school, please have your student wear a solid colored shirt and a uniform bottom. Also, remember to update your students' shots and physicals with the office. Please sign up for our important and emergency text message system. Text K5 PBMA for the elementary campus or 612 PBMA for the secondary campus to the number 844-764-2094. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.